Good morning students. Today we are going to do in this video the classified advertisement, and here I am going to tell you about the classified. You know that classified advertisements are of two kinds. One is the classified and other is the display. So here we are going to do about the classified advertisement. Now classified advertisement, they can be categorized into two columns according to different classes. So they can be categorized, these classified advertisements, they are put into columns. They are not individual, but they are put into columns, and they are according to the classes, the different classes, the different variety. What are they talking about? They are brief and occupy less space. Why classified advertisements are more in use? Because they are brief and they occupy less space. They are economical. They are written in short phrases. They are written in very little few words. The language is simple, concise. It is factual and formal. So what do we have to remember when we are writing this classified advertisement is that the language has to be simple, it has to be concise, to the point, and it has to be factual. Relating to the product, nothing more, nothing less. And the language has to be very formal. Because each word, we have to pay for each word, so it has to be concise and it has to be formal. There are no blocks or designs. Remember, when you are talking about the classified advertisement, there are no blocks, there are no designs in it. The first one or two words of that advertisement may be written in capital letters. So the first two words, when you are writing this classified advertisement, we will write the first two words, the first one word or the two words in the capital letters. So these are your points that you remember while writing any of the classified advertisements. First, they are categorized into columns according to different classes. Second, they are brief and occupy less space. Third, remember they are economical, using of less words. Why? Because each word has a price. Each word, the more you write, the more you have to pay. Written in short phrases and words. They are written in very short phrases and words, not too many conjunctions, not too many articles to be used. There are no blocks and designs. The language is simple, concise, to the point, factual, relating to the product, and it is in a very formal language. There are no blocks or designs. While you are doing this, there is no block, there is no design. The first one or two words of an advertisement may be written in capital letter. Now we come to under this heading, under this classified advertisement, what are we going to do is property, that is sale of the property, to let, or the purchase of the property. So the first thing that you're going to start with is the heading. And the heading is start with sale, purchase, or available. So when you are first make a box, and in that box you have to put the heading. And what is the heading? Sale, purchase, available. Whatever it is. If it is sale, then write about sale. If it is purchase, then purchase, available. Then we are going to talk about the size of the house, plot, whatever property you are going, its size, floor, on which floor it is, if it is an apartment, number of rooms it has, whether it is a flat or a bungalow. You have to mention that whether it is an apartment, it is a flat or a bungalow. For what purpose it is, whether it is for the office, you like to give it out for the office, you want to buy it for the office, you want to sell it for an office. What is the covered area, or that is the carpet area? What are the fixtures and the fittings? What are the fittings that are given there? Like you have the door, what kind of door it is made, or what lightings and all are there. Any other fixtures and fittings that are there in the house from before, that has to be mentioned. And another important thing is the location. What is the location? Where is it located? Because many people are very particular about the location. So you talk, and the location makes a change to the price of the property. So location is very important, and it has to be mentioned where the location is. Now you come to the facilities. What are the facilities provided there? You've got power connection, you've got telephone, you've got intercom, parking facility, and proximity to shopping or bank. Proximity means the closeness. How close it is to the railway station, to the airport, shopping areas, banks, school, hospital. So it is close to what? So this proximity is also important because because if anyone wants to buy a house or to rent a house or to go purchase a fruit plot, they will always see the proximity, that how close it is to the commercial areas. Now, so here I have given you a rough idea that while you are writing the property sale, to let and purchase, what are the things that you're going to mention? So you are going to start your heading with sale, purchase, available. This has to be in capital letters, as I have mentioned already here. So this has to be sale, purchase, available, whatever it is. Any one of these, not all, any one of these has to be in capital letter. Then you mention the size, the floor, number of rooms, whether it is a flat or a bungalow, whether it, for what purpose it is, whether it is for a commercial use or for a personal use or for office use. Then what are the fixtures and the fittings? Where is the location? The fixture and the fitting is not that important, but location is very important. What are the facilities that are available there? Power connection, lift, telephone facility, intercom facility, power backup, Wi-Fi. There are so many things. Parking, proximity, and the other important thing is proximity to shopping areas, banks, school, and other facilities. So these are the, I hope you have understood what are the points that you're going to put in while you are writing about property sale, to let and purchase. Now here I have given you an example. So when we are writing property for sale, so we are going to begin with property for sale. The first one word or two words, like I told you here, the first one word or the two words can be written in a capital. May be written in the first one or two words of an advertisement may be written in capital letter. So here we start with house for sale at Shivpuri, Ludhiana. Spacious. See, they are only commas. I have not put and or not put full stop anything. So you have to be very concise, very few words. Just put comma and carry on. Spacious. That means it is quite spacious. It has large rooms and all. And 3 bedrooms. DD. DD means dining cum drawing room. It is combined dining cum drawing room. Servants' quarters. So this house also has servants' quarters. Fully furnished. The house is fully furnished. There are furnished means you might find curtains also, you might find carpets also, you might find washing machine, refrigerator, and all those things. So fully furnished means that. Well maintained. Lawn and car parking facility. So what is there? There is a lawn also and a car parking facility. Best location, reasonable price, contact Dr. Geeta, and the phone number is here. So it's very simple. It's in a very simple, you can see that many adjectives are not used, many connectors are not used, articles are not used. In a very simple way, what all is there, it is just mentioned. Now here when it is at Shivpuri, Ludhiana, the location is given there. Spacious 3 bedrooms, size in the room and the number of rooms are given there. Well maintained lawn, what are the other attractions? Car parking, lawn facilities and all, it's there. Reasonable price, this is the selling price, that it is reasonable. And this is the contact address, Dr. Geeta and all. So all what we have talked about here, heading, heading, size of the floor and the number of rooms, covered area, carpet area, and facilities, all that is mentioned here. So when you see this is the general for all the classified advertisement. You are going to write it this way. This is for the property and sale. When you're talking about property and sale, you have to mention all these ones. And here, this is an example. You'll put it in a box. You'll write with property for sale. The first 1 or 2 words will be in capital letters. You'll talk about the location. You will talk about the size of the room. You will talk about the carpet area and any other attraction that is there. And it is. You can also mention here, though I have not done it, but you can also mention that it has close proximity to shopping areas, to bank and others. I hope this is clear and you'll be able to do any of the questions that are based on the sale of property or to let purchase of property. Thank you very much.